Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. This is 2021 Honda Pilot. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this infotainment unit. First we're going to have to remove this and this and then the lower cover there. I'll show you guys what they look like. Alright guys, so this is just clipped here. Just pry it open, pop it out. Same with this, it's all clipped. Alright, back it up. There is a connector right there, and sort of like a hose for the speaker or a microphone. Alright, so that's that. And the next step for me to do is get on the other side. Alright guys, so underneath here I want to show you guys the microphone hose. So I have disconnected it from this clip, so it was sitting there. Alright, so just pop this clip up and this should come out and will give you more space. Basically it will come out a bit farther this way if you need to, right? Because you're gonna need to remove this screw. Alright guys, so it's the same thing on the other side here. You gotta remove this, you gotta pop it out. Just clicks this out. It's all clipped. Alright, and so the next step for me to do is remove the Blu-ray. Okay, so there's a screw here and there's a screw here, but I think before that I'm going to remove this HVAC assembly. Before I can remove that, I'm going to remove this. So I'm just gonna pop it from underneath here and pop it out. It's just a clip too. Alright guys, so starting from this edge here and making my way out that way, and it should come out. Alright guys, so this one is out here, and I'm going to show you there's two clips here, the two whites, and then this thing, this one, both sides. This thing's kind of like hook. Looks like it's got a hook there, right where it hooks right here. So very careful with that one. I mean, I tried prying it from the bottom, it wouldn't budge, so I tried it on the edge here, and it came out, and made my way out towards this way, and then pulled from the bottom here, and then it came off. Alright, so be careful with that, not to even damage this screen right here. Alright, and so I'm gonna remove this screw and that screw, and then this thing should just pop out with just a bunch of clips. Alright, just want to point out there's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Alright guys, so this is out. So I started from this side on each end and make your way in. And so just basically remove the connector here, move it away. Now you can either get your, so that's the 8mm that you have to loosen. Alright, so you have to loosen that. Then you'll be able to pull this thing out. Now if you can't get anything in there, you need to remove the Blu-ray. Alright, what I'm telling you now is a shortcut way without removing the Blu-ray. Alright guys, so I got that thing loose, alright, right there, by using this. So what I do is, oh crap, I lost it. Alright, so with that thing like that, and I'll have my finger, my other hand under here, and I'll be holding that, and I'll be spinning it while I'm holding it. Same procedure here on the other side, 2 hands. Alright, so it's gonna be like that. One supporting from the bottom, holding on to the socket and ratchet and turning it. Alright, you just gotta turn, you don't gotta remove it all the way out, just gotta loosen it, right? And the next step is to pull it out this way. You gotta put a lot of force. Can't show you guys. Hang on a second. Just like that, guys. Alright. Just gonna put it back in. Make sure that this the bolt there goes in its proper spot. Just like so. Alright, guys. Anyway, if you guys like this content, if it helps you out in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, guys. By the way, don't mind that. I'm just doing some job. That's why that's off. But you basically have to remove. Yeah. This, that hazard, this one, the sides, each back, and that, and yeah, you guys shouldn't have to remove the Blu-ray. If you guys have to remove that and the 4 screws, you should pull out. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.